Hi there. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add a payment gateway. Accepting credit card payments for service provision is a must for any business these days. To do that, one needs to open an account with a payment gateway and set it up for the company. To add a payment gateway, access the merchant you want to set it for. Select tab, Payment Gateways, press Add, open the drop-down list of available payment gateways, and choose the one you need. After that, carefully insert your account keys into the relevant fields. Finalize by pressing Add. You may add multiple payment gateways to one merchant and enable them for different companies within the merchant. To disable or edit the created paygate, tap on More Items and choose the option you need. Now proceed to the tab Companies and select the company you want to enable the payment gateway for. Find tab Payment Gateways in the Company Management section. Open the drop-down list of payment gateways available for that merchant. Select the one you need and press Save. To disable the gateway for company, just go back to No Specified option. Now that the gateway is activated, you may start receiving credit card payments. To let your customers pay by credit cards, allow credit and debit cards payment method in the Payment Methods section on the Service Types. To let your drivers top their balance up with credit cards from the app, put them on driver plan. That's it for today. See you later.